Yeah, what's going on? Manyangazi the Commissar. So it did 10 the April. The Rest Lodge. The Rest Lodge because we were trying to pave away from Facebook, YouTube, then being realistic. Say na event yeah na it did 10 the April the Rest Lodge. So me that a Good Friday so my ticket ring is Xeran, look mar 200 rand mareta shall sell over 200 rand book face one of them was at boot. So namuntla nyawala is one so very important. Matikiti mashosa gate. Sinamtla na wala so very important. Top 10 stronger songs in this decade. So this is the first decade. Then that's top 10 at this artist. This is the first top 10 without including music wa Macho Bemuda, music wa Petri Nkuna, music wa Peter Tinete, music wa Paul Ndlovu, music wa Peter Hlongwane, music wa Penny Wakarelwa Wayena. So it's very special to say the artists of this generation credit of what they've done in this decade. That's one. So we have a decade. The songs that I'm gonna read are from 2010 to 2020. So I command around that and they little video I want them to be sweet and short usually. The first song only one even in Kembonyan is also for Rangatama. Which one changed the game? What's special about the other one? What's not special about the other one? So my first song is by Josh Sherman. And mind you, Annie Pizzanzana, the very same song laying at the album, Bengu Bengu. I think I should realize I go Bengu in Zumba. Fusionian Zumba, Naini, the Electro. That's what makes this song special. It was the first of the kind. It was the first in the game. The singing style, the lyrics, the chords, the hype and everything. So the biggest song at this century is Josh Sherman. Hekele number one. I left with Takurazukuna favoritism whatsoever. So the second song, the Unity game, it made something relevant. It made Marabenta relevant too much, even influencing a lot of artists. So the second song, even in Bisina Kimbonyana, and I had to choose even from one artist. It's Mr. Bao. Guess what? I'm choosing my number one over Nokuranza. Because I feel my number one has influenced a lot of upcoming artists, the big artists. You see, I think they were influenced by this song. The style of this song brought a lot of change. Come music song. Ningezini thathela ngopfu. Number 2, Mr. Bao, my number 1. Number 3, Ishkanga. I always ask people, Shinuri, is he out of Jews or got the recent album? Kumbeshani Shiganga yuhlupha ngopfu. Shiganga has done something leswi swi nga tsanda album Shinuri hinkwayo combined. They are recent. Kushendla. Shiganga is still on high rotation now. Mind you, the album you made 2014. Shiganga na swona loko wangena mani ti khumbeni va 1000 yo. So Shiganga is one powerful song. It's number 3. Number 4, my only one, na swi tiva ku se mukwatini van'wana why me sa loyi anga katsi Ben Mayengani wa Xizonda kumbexani u kwatele ku tlherisiwa va ku mute. No. Number 4 is Ben Mayengani, but I had to choose between 2 albums. Sharp Ben Mayengani had a game-changing album. Actually, probably the biggest album of the century. Yes, I said century. Yeah, the century. From my Google but then I don't think there's a better album than his in this century. In Mlate Baben. So I had to choose between the Samlingati Baben and I had to choose because he himself it's a song which stands on its own. I don't have to support this song deserves to be here because its album changed the game. Msava Yimani Chika changed the game. Go and listen to it. It's a timeless song. It's a classic. I love mun only one I hate him. Dr. Musa Mathebula. Then track number 5 Botrangani. Prince Rangani Pelandawo. You know, after being out Messi Baben Pelandawo fiki on a solo this. Pelandawo introduced us probably to the biggest army of Mzukwa laying away on this decade. No. Going on stock of another Shirimana. This song changed the game. Changed the game, and it made a lot of artists go shaker. So that's the top 5. Joyce Romani, Hekele Heke, number 2, Mr. Bao, my number 1, number 3, Ishkanga by Dr. Thomas Chauke, number 4, Msava Yimani Chika by Ben Mengani, number 5, the Pelanda by Prince Rangam. And I'm sure you can see got this list at top 5. Kuna Benny, kuna Prince, kuna Joe. So by default, that group has dominated this decade, and Leo Ingilu. So I'm gonna move to the lower part. Number 6. Ngalasa iloka nga film 7. The reason why interest loka nga film 7, it's much more simpler to spot loka nga film 7, but electro for sure ngalasa. Electro music song ngalasa yanga for sure game le one, but it was very hard before loka nga film 7 ku spot ku ino trasumra ngalasa. Langutani bata penga manla bata kono tungoyan pom 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 tikara tingole raro astika na ku spot ku iri similar one in with a similar one. So the simplest one to spot within that sphere that nga hlupa I loga nga film 7. Ibise kwana number 7. Number 7 Sandland Amuba. Aksama ever since Sandland after umese bi aksama kwana samra Sandland nga karata uhlula lera. Aksama kwana risimu rangwasati renga hlupa kutlula lera. Amuba amigo anisa sekange ngopfu mara na etlula belengolia Motorola liya ingasala ebayimwe. Anytime ingatima, like Sandland is one of the most powerful artists and a powerful artist of this a powerful song of this decade. Amuba. And then number 7, number 8. It would be very, very upset who inga credit album ya le Tim Sherman le ya Ngurangura. It similar. Ngurangura changed again. Ngurangura ihlopini. It was the first time coming to question resimu rihlopa from I think this album was released around September. Rihlopa 2 years in choir. And the question means on the shati magato hlopa 2 years in choir. Na kumtsondo share so rin'wana ra kalasa ra December. Mina penga he December mane. Hipa ho ko gungula makela. Njo mitwe ngari kumbishana not favor kwa ndifakela ka number 6. Hlupina ngalaza van'wana ko tirha suit pom se na stiva ku ngamri na van'wana mhleketano ya n'wina vo Russian Army vo Slika and all these kind of dudes mapulandlelo wa vona hi loyi Botangi. And we move on senior ka number 9 Flora Ngwa Chauke navela xindlwane nenga dlawa hi xihu. It's more like the similar to Antrando ngopfu vavasati Amuba na yona. So it's similar thing are powerful. And I'm sure number 9 le one. Even number 10 ya kona I combo and recommended maybe because sis combo nzimsaveni kumbexani lava ti favors tin'wanyana from the family whatsoever, but Madumelani is one powerful song. Go and listen to it and understand why it's part of the list in Africa number 10. Even under genres ningoni it has bonus kuna similar focus kamela unge vakeli mala vakelo ani vana manajile it falls under this list, but look at fit kuba got this part, yeah, top 10. But then ngara subscribe. I think there's the next thing that I'm gonna do in the end, like best album, then the best album, then the best song. Ngara subscribe, no, that the rest the 10th April. I can see.